Here I am going to show you how to install Windows 11 on Surface Pro tab. For this purpose, we need to enter the BIOS mode, then boot priority to USB flash drive. For login the BIOS, we need to press the volume arrow key, then press the power button. Until we are getting the BIOS window, we need to hold the volume up key. Here I am using the USB expansion for connecting the bootable USB and mouse. Then we need to change the boot priority. Here we are able to change the boot priority. Then restart the PC. Now it will start to boot from Windows 11. Here I am using the ventoy bootable USB for booting the Windows 11. So we need to select the Windows 11 for booting. Here I am selecting the Windows 11 ISO file. Then I am starting to install. This is same like Windows 11 normal installation in laptop and PCs. Here I am doing the fast forwarding for avoiding the video lagging. Accept the license agreement. Then press the install button. Then press the custom install option. Here I am deleting all the partitions, old partitions. Then I am creating the new partition for installing the Windows 11. Then press the apply button. Select the partition and press the next button for installing the Windows 11. This process will take time, so I am doing the fast forwarding for avoiding the video lagging. Middle of this installation, PC will restart multiple times. Here we need to select the country and region. I am selecting India, then pressing the next button. Then select the keyboard layout, press yes button. If you want to add the secondary keyboard layout, we can add here. I am using skip option. I am using the Windows installation without Wi-Fi, so continue with the limited setup. Then enter the device name and then press the next button. Accept the policies. It will take time. We are able to see the Windows installation has been finished. And now we are able to see the Windows 11 desktop. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please press the like button, share and subscribe.